Namaskar. Dear students, welcome. Today, I shall solve some problems on differential equations. We have written the questions of the differential equation. We have written 20 A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. All the questions are of the same type. Therefore, I have written A, B, C, D like that. Now, let us first try to solve the question number A without wasting any time. Question number A. What is this? Y square plus x minus 1 by y dy by dx equal to 0. This is our question. Now see, this means you may write y square plus y into xy minus 1 dy by dx equal to 0. Or you may write 1 minus xy divided by y dy by dx equal to y square. You may write like this. Or dx by dy can be written as 1 minus xy by y cube. Already y is there. Therefore, it is y cube. This means dx by dy. This can be written as 1 by y cube minus 1 by y square into x. You may write like this. You may write like this. Or you may write dx by dy plus 1 by y square x equal to 1 by y cube. Suppose this is number 1. Suppose this is number 1. This equation is linear in x. Dx by dy plus a function of y into x equal to a function of y again. Now, 1 is linear. 1 is linear in x. Integrating factor equal to e to the power integral p dy. This is equal to e to the power integral y to the power minus 2. Means y to the power minus 1 by minus 1. Y to the power minus 1 by minus 1. E to the power minus 1 by y. E to the power minus 1 by y. Therefore, 1 into e to the power minus 1 by y implies e to the power minus 1 by y dx by dy plus e to the power minus 1 by y 1 by y square x e to the power minus 1 by y 1 by y cube. It will be like this. This means now if you differentiate e to the power minus 1 by y with respect to y, then you will get e to the power minus 1 by y into differentiation of minus 1 by y means minus y to the power minus 1 means minus of minus 1 y to the power minus 2 means 1 by y square, which is this. Therefore, we can write here e to the power minus 1 by y into x. This is equal to e to the power minus 1 by y 1 by y cube. We may write like this. Because since you may write here, since d dy of e to the power minus 1 by y equal to e to the power minus 1 by y d dy of minus 1 by y. This is equal to e to the power minus 1 by y d dy of minus y to the power minus 1. This is equal to e to the power minus 1 by y minus 1 minus y to the power minus 2 means 1 by y square e to the power minus 1 by y. E to the power minus 1 by y. Therefore, d dy of this equal to this. You may write like this. Now integrating we get. Integrating we get e to the power minus 1 by yx equal to integral e to the power minus 1 by y 1 by y cube dy plus c. Dy plus c. Now you are to integrate this one. Suppose this is number 2. Suppose this is number 2. Now, put minus 1 by y. Put minus 1 by y is equal to z. This means minus y to the power minus 1 equal to z. This means minus 1 into minus y to the power minus 2 dy. This is equal to dz. This means 1 by y square dy equal to dz. 1 by y square dy equal to dz. You will get this one. This is equal to this. Therefore, what will be this integral? Therefore, integration e to the power minus 1 by y, 1 by y cube dy, 1 by y cube dy. This is equal to integral e to the power minus 1 by y into again 1 by y, 1 by y square dy. You may write like this. Now, integral e to the power for minus y you may write z. 1 by y means you may write minus z. It is dz. This is equal to minus integral z. No, it is only z. Minus 1 by y means z. 1 by y means minus z. Z e to the power z dz. E to the power z dz. Now, this is equal to minus first function into integration of the second function, differentiation of the first function, integration of the second function, whole integral. This is equal to minus z e to the power z minus e to the power z. This is equal to minus z minus 1 e to the power z. This is equal to minus 1 by y minus 1 e to the power z. This is equal to for z you may write minus 1 by y. Minus 1 by y. 1 by y plus 1 e to the power minus 1 by y. You may write like this. You may write like this. Therefore, the integration of this from 2, we have got 1 by y plus 1 e to the power minus 1 by y. देखिए, therefore 2 implies e to the power minus 1 by y x. This is equal to 1 by y plus 1 e to the power minus 1 by. This means x equal to 1 by y plus 1 plus c into e to the power y plus c into e to the power y. This is the required solution of the given differential equation. This is also a linear differential equation which x as dependent variable and y as the independent variable. That's all. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Therefore, we have got just you may write here. Just I have written x equal to 1 by y plus 1 plus c into e to the power 1 by y. This is the solution of the given differential equation. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Now, we have solved the equation number A. Now, we have solved the equation number A. Now, let us try to solve the equation number, question number B. B, suppose B, twice x minus 10 y cube dy by dx plus y equal to 0. This is the equation. This means this can be written as 10y cube minus twice x dy by dx equal to y. You may write like this: 10y cube minus twice x dy by dx equal to. Or you may write dx by dy equal to 10y cube minus twice x divided by y. Or you may write dx by dy plus 2 by yx equal to 10y square. 10y square. You may write like this. Suppose this is number 1. This is number 1. This is linear in x. Which is linear in x? Which is linear in x. Therefore, integrating factor equal to e to the power integral p dy e to the power twice log y equal to e to the power log of y square equal to y square. This is equal to y square. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर इज इक्वल टू वाई स्क्वायर. हमारा क्या काम है? जो लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस में इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देने से लेफ्ट हैंड साइड will become a perfect differential. Means left hand side will be equal to d dy of x into the integrating factor. X into the integrating factor. Now let us first multiply the given differential equation 1 by x. Multiplying 1 by the integrating factor. 1 into y square implies means multiply 1 by y square. Y square dx by dy. Dx by dy plus twice y x. This is equal to 10y to the power 4. This means d dy of y square x, first function y square dx with respect to y dx by dy plus x. This will be equal to twice y. This is equal to 10y to the power 4. Integrating we get y square x equal to 10 y to the power 4 dy plus c. Dy plus c. This means x y square equal to 10 y to the power 5 by 5 plus c, or x y square equal to twice y to the power 5 plus c. This is the required solution of the given differential equation B. This is the solution of the differential equation B. X y square equal to twice y to the power 5 plus c. X y square, this is equal to twice y to the power 5 plus c. This is the solution of the differential equation B. Now let us try to solve the equation number 3. C. We have solved this one also. Now C. What is C? C में क्या है? X plus twice y cube dy equal to y dx. C में यही है y dx. This means you may write dx by dy equal to x plus. अब देखिए, अगर dy by dx होने से y divided by x plus twice y cube, it cannot be expressed in the form dy by dx plus py plus py equal to q. It cannot be expressed in this form. But dx by dy means x plus twice y cube divided by y. ये हमें x देखिए, अगर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेकर के आ जाइए, it will become a linear differential equation. Dx by dy plus px equal to q. P and q are functions of y alone in this case. This means dx by dy minus 1 by yx equal to twice y square. This is linear. 1 is linear in x. Linear in x means linear with x as dependent and y as independent. Integrating factor will be equal to e to the power integral. Mind it is not only 1 by y, it is minus 1 by y. Because linear differential equation is dy by dx plus py equal to q, or dx by dy plus px equal to q. Here p and q are functions of y. Now it should be plus dx by dy minus 1 by y. It is not dx by dy plus minus 1 by y. P is minus 1 by y. P is not 1 by y. This is equal to e to the power minus log y, e to the power log y to the power minus 1 equal to y to the power minus 1. Means 1 by y. Y to the power minus 1 means 1 by y. Now, multiply 1 by y, then you will get 1 by y dx by dy minus 1 by y square x. This is equal to twice y. This is equal to twice y. Obviously, this can be written as 1 by yx. First function 1 by y. Differentiation of x dx by dy plus x 1 by y. If you differentiate 1 by y, you will get minus 1 by y square. This is equal to twice y. Integrating we get 1 by yx equal to twice y dy plus c. This means 1 by yx equal to y square plus c, or x equal to y cube plus cy. X is equal to y cube plus cy. This is the solution of the given differential equation. It is y cube equal to y cube plus cy. X equal to we have solved number C. Now let us try to solve question number D. Suppose D. What is D? X plus y dy equal to x square dx. x plus y इक्वल टू z पुट करके भी आप इसका समाधान कर सकते हैं, और इसको लीनियर में लेकर के जाकर के भी आप समाधान कर सकते हैं। दोनों तरह से समाधान करने का कोशिश करूंगा, और दोनों मेथड से इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद में देखेंगे ये दोनों रिजल्ट एक है कि नहीं। अब देखिए, पहले लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस करके इसको सॉल्व करूंगा, लेकिन ऐसा क्वेश्चन पहले सॉल्व किया हुआ है, तो डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस प्लेलिस्ट में जाने से आपको मिल जाएगा। x प्लस वाई डी वाई इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर डी एक्स, एक्स प्लस वाई इक्वल टू जेड पुट करके भी इसका समाधान निकाल सकते हैं आप। अल्टरनेटिव मेथड करके इसको सॉल्व करूंगा, लेकिन पहले लीनियर मेथड से सॉल्व करूंगा पहले। आप देखिए, दिस मीन्स dx by dy, suppose a square dx by dy equal to x plus y, a square dx by dy x plus y, or you may write here dx by dy minus 1 by a square x equal to y by a square. You may write like this. It is linear. This is linear. Suppose this is number 1. 1 is linear in x. One is linear in x. One is linear in x. One is linear in x. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर क्या होगा? अब देखिए, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर e to the power इंटीग्रल p माइनस 1 बाई ए स्क्वायर dy. इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर होगा e to the power माइनस 1 बाई ए स्क्वायर dy. This is equal to e to the power माइनस y बाई ए स्क्वायर. ये होगा इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर. मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए 1 into the integrating factor y by a square. This means e to the power minus y by a square dx by dy minus 1 by a square e to the power minus y by a square x equal to y. This is equal to e to the power minus y by a square into y by a square. Y by a square. We have solved already this one, therefore now this means, can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? This is equal to e to the power minus y by a square. Y by a square. Because we can write like this. Because since d dy of e to the power minus e to the power square. This is equal to e to the power minus y into and d dy of minus y by square. This is equal to e to the power minus y by a square. It will be minus 1 by a square. Only. This is equal to minus 1 by a square e to the power minus y by a square. Minus 1 by a square e to the power minus y by a square. ये तो होगा ही. अगर नहीं हुआ समझ लीजिए, इसका मतलब यही है इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकालने में आपका गलती हो गया. अगर आप सही तरीके से इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर निकाल लेते हैं तब लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस में इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर से मल्टीप्लाई कर देने से डी डी वाई ऑफ एक्स इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर होगा ही. अगर नहीं होता है तो इसका मतलब आपका कोई गलती हुआ है. नाउ इंटीग्रेटिंग we get integrating we get e to the power minus y by a square x. This is equal to integration y by a square e to the power minus y by a square dy plus c. This is equal to 1 by a square integral y e to the power minus y by a square dy plus c. This means e to the power minus y by a square x equal to a product function का इंटीग्रेशन है. फर्स्ट फंक्शन y, सेकेंड फंक्शन e to the power y by a square 1 by a square. फर्स्ट फंक्शन y, इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ द सेकेंड फंक्शन. आप इंटीग्रेट लिख लीजिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. माइनस डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ द फर्स्ट फंक्शन 1 into integration of the second function e to the power minus y by a square dy and whole integral is this plus c. You may write plus c. This is equal to 1 by a square y e to the power mx. What is the integration of e to the power mx? e to the power mx integration is e to the power mx divided by m. And the differentiation of e to the power mx is m into e to the power mx. Integration of e to the power mx is e to the power mx divided by m. अब देखिए e to the power mx means e to the m means what? Minus 1 by a square divided by 1 by a square minus integral e to the power minus y by a square divided by minus 1 by a square dy plus c plus c. This is equal to 1 by a square minus a square y e to the power minus y by a square plus a square integral e to the power minus y by a square dy plus c. This is equal to 1 by a square minus a square y e to the power minus a plus a square. It is again e to the power minus y by a square divided by minus 1 by a square plus c. This is equal to 1 by a square y e to the power minus 1 by a square minus a to the power 4 e to the power minus y by a square plus c. This is equal to y e to the power minus y by a square minus a square e to the power minus y by a square plus c. And the left hand side is e to the power minus 1 by a square. This means e to the power minus y by a square into x equal to this. X equal to this. This means x equal to y minus a square plus c e to the power plus c e to the power y by a square. Can I write like this? Or you may write x minus y plus a square. X minus y plus x square equal to this. You may write like this. One minute. Thus I have seen this. This is minus, and it should be minus. It should be minus. Minus. And here it is minus because minus sign is here. This is minus. Or you may write like this: x plus y plus a square equal to c e to the power y by a square. I am writing here. This means x plus y plus a square equal to c into e to the power y divided by a square. This is the answer. What is the answer? X plus y plus a square equal to c into e to the power y by a square. This is the answer. Now, मैं बोला था आप लोगों को जो अल्टरनेटिव मेथड से भी मैं करके देखूंगा तो आंसर तो यही होगा x plus y plus a square equal to c into e to the power. Now, alternative method. Put x plus y is equal to v, suppose. This means d dy of x plus y equal to dv by dy. This means dx by dy plus 1 equal to dv by dy. This means dx by dy equal to dv by dy minus 1. dv by dy minus 1. Therefore, the differential equation is x plus y dy equal to a square dx, means dx by dy, means a square dx by dy. A square dx by dy equal to x plus y. This means a square dx by dy means आप लिख लीजिए dv by dy minus 1 equal to v. This is equal to v. X plus y means v. This is equal to v. This means dv by dy minus 1 equal to v by a square. This means dv by dy equal to 1 plus v by a square. This means dv by dy equal to a square plus v by a square. Now separate the variables. dv by v plus a square equal to 1 by a square dy. 1 by a square dy. A square dy. Integrating we get integration dv by v plus a square equal to 1 by a square dy plus c. This means it is definitely log of v plus a square. Since it is log, therefore you may write log of c. This is equal to y divided by a square plus log of c. This means log of v plus a square divided by c. V plus a square divided by c equal to y by a square. Y by a square. This means v plus a square divided by c equal to e to the power y divided by a square. নতুবা v plus a square is equal to c e to the power y divided by a square. This means x plus y plus a square equal to c e to the power y divided by a square. You see x plus y plus a square equal to c into e to the power y by a square. इस तरीके से भी आप इसका समाधान निकाल सकते हैं. लीनियर से भी निकाल सकते हैं और x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू जेड और भी तो पुट तो करके भी आप ऐसे निकाल सकते हैं. इसका मतलब क्वेश्चन नंबर डी का भी समाधान हो गया हम लोगों का. क्वेश्चन नंबर ई. क्वेश्चन नंबर ई. Let us come to solve the question number E. E means y minus x dy by dx. dy by dx equal to a square. Y minus x dy by dx. This means dx by dy equal to y by a square minus x by a square. A square minus x by a square. This means dx by dy plus 1 by a square x, y by a square. 1 by a square x equal to 1 y by a square. It is number 1. 1 is linear. Linear in x. Integrating factor क्या होगा? e to the power integral 1 by a square dy. This is equal to e to the power y by a square is the integrating factor. Y by a square. Multiply 1 by the integrating factor, which is equal to this. E to the power y by a square dx by dy plus 1 by a square e to the power y by a square x. Y by a square x. This is equal to y by a square e to the power y by a square. अभी ये देखिए e to the power y by a स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू y क्या होगा? e to the power y by a स्क्वायर into 1 by a square. Therefore this can be written as, the left hand side can be written as e to the power y by a square into x, y by a square into x. This is equal to y by a square e to the power y by a square. Integrating we get. Now integrate. Integrating we get. क्या होगा इंटीग्रेट करने से? e to the power y by a square x equal to integral 1 by a square y e to the power y by a square dy plus c. This is the integrating factor. This is equal to 1 by a square. First function this, integration of this, e to the power my. Integration of e to the power my is e to the power my divided by m. Therefore, the integration is of this is e to the power y by a square divided by 1 by a square plus c. This is equal to 1 by a square y a square e to the power y by a square plus c. This is equal to y e to the power y by, oh no, it is the product the differentiation of the product function. First function, now first function into integration of the second function. First function into integration of the second function minus differentiation of the first function into integration of the second function whole integral. First function into integration of the second function minus differentiation of the first function, it is 1 into integration of the second function whole integral. Integration of the second function whole integral. This is equal to 1 by a square. It is a square y e to the power y by a square minus a square e to the power y by a square plus c. This is equal to y e to the power y by a square minus one minute. Here it is a square minus a square, it is integral. A square will be cancelled and the integration of this. Now see, let me write this integration. The integration is, again you have to integrate this one. Y by a square divided by 1 by a square plus 1 a square will be cancelled and this will be this. This is equal to y e to the power y by a square minus a square e to the power y by a square plus c, or and in the left hand side it was y by a square x, or x equal to y minus a square plus c e to the power minus y by a square. This is the solution of the given differential equation. Therefore, answer is this. Answer, what is the answer? Answer should be x minus y plus a square equal to c e to the power minus y by a square. You may write like this also. The answer of this is x minus y plus a square equal to c e to the power minus y by a square. X minus y plus a square equal to c into this. Now, alternative method से कर लीजिए आप. Alternative method. Now, alternatively कर लीजिए. dx by dy. This means a square dx by dy equal to क्या होगा? y minus x. A square dx by dy, this is equal to y minus x होगा. Now, इसमें आप 1 लिखिए, put y minus x, put y minus x equal to v. This means d dy of y minus x equal to dv by dy, dv by dy. This means 1 minus dx by dy equal to dv by dy. This means dx by dy equal to 1 minus dv by dy. 1 minus dv by dy. Therefore, 1 implies a square 1 minus dv by dy equal to y minus x means v. This means 1 minus dv by dy is equal to v by a square. V by a square. This means dv by dy equal to 1 minus v by a square. 1 minus v by a square. dv by dy equal to 1 minus v by a square, or dv by dy equal to dv by dy equal to a square minus v divided by this, or dv divided by a square minus v equal to 1 by a square dy. You may write like this. Now integrating we get, integrating we get, इंटीग्रेट करने से मिलेगा आपको dv by a square minus v equal to 1 by a square dy plus 1 इंटीग्रेशन log c लिख लीजिए, क्योंकि यहां में तो log आएगा. This means minus log a square minus b. अब देखिए, if numerator is equal to the differentiation of the denominator, डिनोमिनेटर को डिफरेंशिएशन कर दीजिए, कितना मिलेगा -1. इसमें माइनस ऑफ माइनस लिख दीजिए. देयरफॉर द इंटीग्रेशन विल बी इक्वल टू log of denominator minus of log of this one. This is equal to y by a square. इस पे प्लस log c मॉड लिखिए, माइनस log c लिखिए, माइनस log of c. This means log of a square minus v equal to minus y by a square plus log c, plus log c. This means log of a square minus v by c equal to minus y by a square. This means a square minus v by c equal to e to the power minus y by a square. This means a square minus v equal to c e to the power minus y by a square. This means a square minus, what is v? V means y minus x equal to c e to the power minus y by a square. This means a square minus y plus x c into e to the power minus y by a square. That is x minus y plus a square equal to c e to the power minus y by square. This is the answer. Therefore, we have solved the equation number in two methods. First, by converting it to the linear differential equations, and then just putting y minus x is equal to q. We have solved this up to this question number 8. Now let us try to solve the question number f. Question number f. Question number f. X plus y plus 1 dy by dx equal to 1. X plus y plus 1 dy by dx equal to 1. Equal to 1. Number only 1 minute. This can be written as dx by dy equal to x plus y plus 1. This means dx by dy minus x equal to y plus 1. This is linear in y. This is 1 is linear in x. 1 is linear in x. Linear in x. Integrating factor equal to e to the power integral minus 1 into dy equal to e to the power minus y. 1 into integrating factor implies e to the power minus y dx by dy minus e to the power minus yx equal to e to the power minus y into y plus 1. Minus y into y plus 1. Or d dy of e to the power minus yx. First function e to the power minus y, differentiation of the second function, plus x, this is equal to this. This is equal to y plus 1 e to the power minus 1. Integrating we get e to the power minus yx equal to y plus 1 e to the power minus y dy plus c. This is equal to first function into integration of the second function minus differentiation of the first function 1 into integration of the second function, the integration of this whole integral. This is equal to minus y plus 1 e to the power minus y plus integral this one. This is equal to minus y plus 1 e to the power minus y minus e to the power minus y plus c. And it will be e to the power minus y into x, or x equal to minus y plus 1 minus x is equal to minus y plus 1 minus 1 plus c e to the power y. You may write like this, or this is equal to minus y minus 2 plus c e to the power y. This means x plus y plus 2 is equal to c into e to the power y. C into e to the power y. Therefore, the solution of equation number f is x plus y plus 2 c into e to the power y. X plus y plus 2 equal to c into f. Therefore, we have solved the question number. Now, let us try to solve the question number C. छह क्वेश्चन तो हो गया हम लोगों का। साथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 means Z 1 plus y square dx equal to tan inverse y minus x dy minus x dy. 1 plus y square dx equal to tan inverse y minus x dy. This means dx by dy equal to tan inverse y minus x divided by 1 minus y square, or dx by dy equal to tan inverse y by 1 plus y square minus x divided by 1 plus y square. Minus x divided by 1 plus y square. This means dx by dy plus 1 plus y square x is equal to, अब देखिए linear हो गया. dx by dy compulsory x and a function of y. It is also a function of y. Here it should be x, not x to the power minus 1, not e to the power y, e to the power x or like that. It must be, or x square, it must be x. dx by dy, यहाँ देखिए dx by dy x function of y, it means linear. Suppose this is number 1. 1 is linear in x. 1 is linear in x. Integrating factor equal to e to the power integral p dy. E to the power integral p dy. This is equal to e to the power tan inverse y. E to the power tan inverse y. Therefore, 1 implies. Therefore, from 1 into 1 into the integrating factor. 1 into integrating factor. Multiply कर दीजिए. E to the power tan inverse y into dx by dy plus e to the power tan inverse y divided by 1 plus y square x equal to e to the power tan inverse y into tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. This means you may write d dy of e to the power tan inverse y into x. First function e to the power tan inverse y. Differentiation of the second function, it will be dx by dy plus second function x. Differentiation of e to the power tan inverse y is e to the power tan inverse y, and differentiation of tan inverse y is 1 by 1 plus y square. It is e to the power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. This is equal to e to the power tan inverse y. Tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Integrating we get e to the power tan inverse y into x equal to integration e to the power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square dy plus c. It will be like this. Now, suppose this is number 2. Now we have to integrate this one. Just put tan inverse y is equal to v. Or then put tan inverse y equal to v. This means 1 by 1 plus y square dy is equal to dv. Therefore, integral e to the power tan inverse y into tan inverse y 1 by 1 plus y square dy. This is equal to e to the power v. It is again v into dv. E to the power put tan inverse y equal to v. E to the power v into v 1 by 1 plus y square dy means dv. This is equal to integration v to the power v dv. This is equal to first function v, integration of the second function minus differentiation of the first function, integration of the second function. This is equal to v minus 1. V e to the power v minus e to the power v equal to v minus 1 e to the power v. v minus 1 e to the power v. This is equal to v means tan inverse 1 minus 1 e to the power tan inverse y. Therefore 2 implies e to the power tan inverse y x equal to integration of this is the integration of this is we have got this as tan inverse y minus 1 e to the power tan inverse y plus c plus c. নতুবা or x equal to tan inverse y minus 1 c e to the power minus tan inverse y. Therefore, the solution of this is this. Solution of this is x is equal to tan inverse y. It is x, or you may write x plus 1 minus tan inverse y. X plus 1 equal to this, you may write like this also. X plus 1 equal to tan inverse y plus c times of e to the power minus tan inverse y. E to the power minus tan inverse y. Therefore, we have solved the question number Z also. X plus 1, you may write x plus 1 equal to tan inverse y equal to this. Now, last question, question number 8, last. 1 plus y square dx plus x minus e to the power tan inverse y into dy equal to 0. dy equal to 0. Or 1 plus y square dx equal to e to the power tan inverse y minus x dy, or dx by dy equal to e to the power tan inverse y minus x divided by 1 plus y square, or dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus y square x equal to e to the power tan inverse y divided by 1 plus y square. Therefore, let me write here dx by dy plus 1 by y square into x equal to e to the power tan inverse y divided by 1 plus y square. Suppose this is number 1. It is linear. Which is linear in x? Which is linear in x? Integrating factor क्या होगा? E to the power integral 1 plus y square dy pdy. E to the power integral pdy. This is equal to e to the power tan inverse y. Tan inverse y. Multiply 1 by e to the power tan inverse y. Multiply कर देने से e to the power tan inverse y into dx by dy plus e to the power tan inverse y divided by 1 plus y square x equal to e to the power tan inverse y whole square divided by 1 plus y square. You will get this one. And left hand side, you may write e to the power tan inverse y, dy of e to the power tan inverse y into x. Because differentiation of e to the power tan inverse y is e to the power tan inverse y into 1 by 1 plus y square. This is equal to tan inverse y whole square divided by 1 plus Integrating we get e to the power 10 inverse y into x, e to the power 10 inverse y whole square divided by 1 plus y square, e to the power 10 inverse y whole square divided by 1 plus y square dy plus c. Now, suppose this is number 2. This is number 2. Put 10 inverse y equal to z. 10 inverse y equal to z. This means 1 by 1 plus y square dy equal to dz. 1 plus dy equal to dz. Therefore, integrate e to the power 10 inverse y whole square divided by 1 plus y square. This is equal to integral e to the power z whole square dz. dy by 1 plus y square means dz. This is equal to e to the power twice z dz. This is equal to e to the power twice z divided by 2. E to the power twice z divided by 2. This is equal to 1 by 2 e to the power twice. What is z? Z means 10 inverse y. 10 inverse y. Therefore, from 2 you will get. Therefore, 2 implies. 2 means e to the power 10 inverse y into x equal to the integration. इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या हो गया? 1 by 2 into e to the power twice 10 inverse y plus c. इसका इंटीग्रेशन हो गया वो. This means x equal to 1 by 2 e to the power 10 inverse y से डिवाइड कर दीजिए. e to the power twice 10 inverse y divided by e to the power 10 inverse y means e to the power twice 10 inverse y minus 10 inverse y equal to e to the power 10 inverse y plus c e to the power minus 10 inverse y means c divided by e to the power 10 inverse y. Therefore, the answer is this. We have got the solution of question number 8 is this. Last answer is which is the required solution. X is equal to half e to the power 10 inverse y plus c e to the power minus 10 inverse y. Dear students, in total, we have done 8 questions. Of this type. In the next class, perhaps we shall start the Bernoulli's equation. Today, I want to stop here. Thanks for attending the class. Thank you very much. Namaskar.